Polynomial chain is a layer 2 platform designed to improve on-chain derivatives trading by solving issues like scalability and liquidity in the current DeFi space. By utilizing the optimized superchain ecosystem, Polynomial offers several advantages, including lower gas fees, faster transactions, improved scalability, and robust security, all while reducing risk like congestions and front running compared to other layer 2 solutions. Unlike traditional liquidity pools, Polynomial chain's native liquidity layer provides a unified solution that enhances capital efficiency, simplifies the user experience, and improves security. A unified solution means Polynomial uses a single liquidity pool for various financial products. This creates an ecosystem where platforms like DEXs, lending services, synthetics, real world assets, and options markets can all benefit from the same liquidity pool. When users stake assets on Polynomial, their funds are deposited into the unified liquidity pool, contributing liquidity to the automated market maker and ensuring smoother trading. Additionally, stakers or depositors receive 60% of the trading fees generated from the trades on Polynomial trade. For example, if Polynomial trade generates 1 million in trading fees, 600k will be distributed among all the liquidity providers. Polynomial also allows you to earn points by completing various tasks, and staking is one of the ways to earn both staking rewards and points. Though the minimum staking amount is $100, meaning you must stake at least $100 to qualify for staking rewards and points. In addition to staking, users can trade perpetual contract on Polynomial trade. Some key benefits of the Polynomial trade include up to 100x leverage, no slippage, gasless trading, and more. Slippage can reduce profits and increase losses, which is a common concern in many trading platforms. However, with Polynomial trades, users can trade with confidence as slippage is not an issue. Similar to staking, you must deposit a minimum of $100 to begin trading on Polynomial. Polynomial is accessible via laptop, PC, or mobile, with a platform designed to offer a seamless experience across all devices. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching.